Hello, my name is Jose. We're here in Fullerton. It is January the 21st, and we have Atticare that's working on my attic insulation and a couple other projects. I was looking to do several projects: HVAC system, insulation, a new rooftop, and then solar panels. I understand that this project comes with a massive budget, and so I wanted to make sure that I could trust somebody to be able to do the job and do the job right. We found that a lot of the existing HVAC systems, the roof, all of that was original. I live in a home that's over 55 years old, so energy and efficiency wise, it wasn't actually making any sense to run any of those systems. It is getting unseasonably warmer every single year. Electric costs have continuously gone up year after year, and so I wanted to do something different and be able to lessen that cost and do something that's more favorable for the environment. I found out about Atticare basically through doing some online research. I looked at the website, I looked at the reviews, I was looking at somebody who was going to prepare a detailed proposal about what I was looking for and more importantly stay within my budget. I definitely recommend Atticare. They have been professional, diligent, everything that I've requested. If there's any updates, I'm getting consistent communication back and forth, so there hasn't been any surprises whatsoever. In fact, there's more follow through, which I think is great. Again, given the scope and size of the project, it's important to have somebody that's going to be able to manage all of that. Looking forward to enjoying it and more importantly, being able to live in a more comfortable space now that we have all these new improvements to go with the house.